Okay, and my name is Gong.
Yeah.
Today is the weather report period in Udon Thani.
Today is Thursday, 29th January 2025. In the morning, weather is very foggy. Next, let the reporter report together.
Hello, my name is Pap.
And my name is Bloom.
Today we will take the weather data for today.
Temperature is 55 Fahrenheit during the day.
Humidity is 95%, very high.
Wind speed 2 miles per hour.
The pressure is stable.
Sky condition clear sky overnight with cooling temper.
During weather conditions like this, enrolling in our guidelines will reduce the risk of accidents. 1. Use low power. 2. Do not turn on emergency lights when driving. 3. Eliminate fog on the grass. 4. Keep your distance from the from the next tip.
Thank you very much. See you.